Alright, so they have different functions, which is pretty cool. So if you hit function right here, different colors, I'm sorry. If you hit function right here and hit number 1 over here, it dims one side, which I like, it's cool. Hit 2, what you get is, and I'm telling you, for $30, I want to know how long it's gonna last, but my expectation is not all the way high, but it is what it is. So see, it's pretty dope. You get one of these. You get the wave, which looks awesome. 4, not bad. So with 6, you turn it off. It also has special keys, like if you hit 1, it turns all of them off. Let me see, is it 3? I know it's one of them. There you go, 5. You got this one side. I don't know what kind of special keys is this, but it is what it is. Then you get the gamer one. So there's only these 4 numbers right here. Let's see, 7. Nope. If I'm not mistaken, that was 8. Yep, that was 8. 8, you get only all the letters on, which is pretty nice.